Sunish. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to explain or discuss about a new topic, and that is marketing management. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is marketing management? What? But before explaining about marketing management, let me explain what is market and marketing. So first one is market. Market is nothing but a place where both buyers and sellers comes in contact to trade goods and services. So this is known as market. Now next let me come to marketing. Marketing refers to those activities that has been undertaken by the company or business to promote the buying and selling of its products or services. So this is known as marketing. Now let me come to the term marketing management. So what is marketing management? It is nothing but it refers to the strategic process of planning, implementing and monitoring the marketing activities to achieve the business goals. And most importantly, the company or business must understand the customer needs and deliver the products or services that satisfy them. So this is known as marketing management. So next let me list out the key aspects of marketing management, and they are strategic planning, market research, product development, pricing, advertising and promotion, distribution, customer relationship management, monitoring and evaluation, and allocation of resources. So the above mentioned are the key aspects of marketing management. So let me discuss one by one the key aspects. So first key aspect is strategic planning. It means it sets desired goals or objectives to achieve the business goals of the organizations. It means what to do, how to do, and for whom to do. It is nothing but setting desired goals and objectives to achieve the business goals. It can be both short-term goals as well as long-term goals. So this is known as strategic planning. So next aspect is market research. It means a proper study or research must be conducted to identify market trends, competitors, and customer needs. So this is known as market research. Third aspect is product development. It includes products or commodities or goods and services to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers or the consumers. So this is known as product development. Now let me come to the fourth aspect, that is pricing. It means a competitive and a profitable prices must be set to achieve the business goals. So this is known as pricing. So let me come to the fifth aspect, that is advertising and promotion. Means communicating the values and features of the products or commodities or goods and services to the customers efficiently and effectively. This is known as advertising and promotion. Now let me come to the sixth aspect is distribution. Means distributing products or goods or commodities or services to the customers or the target audience in the most efficient and effective manner. This is known as distribution. Next aspect is customer relationship management. Means building or maintaining a strong relationship with the customers. So this is known as customer relationship management. Next one is monitoring and evaluation. Means monitoring or evaluating or analyzing or measuring the campaign performance and refining strategies. So this is known as monitoring and evaluation. Now let me come to the last aspect, that is allocation of resources. It means efficiently and effectively managing the marketing budgets and resources. So this is known as allocation of resources. So the above are the important aspects of marketing management. Let me wind up this session by stating a famous quote which was quoted by none other than Walt Disney. And he quoted, "The goal of marketing is to create a loyal customer who is so loyal that they will never consider buying from anyone else." So this is what he said about marketing. And this is all about today's session. Let me come up in the next session with another interesting topic. Until then, thank you.